is how you release your stuck EV charger connector in your settings. First you go to setup, then you press setup, then you press EV settings, then you scroll down to charger connector locking mode, then you press do not lock. So if you leave your vehicle and you lock your doors, it won't lock up on you now. So you might have noticed that your charger is stuck in your car. All you gotta do is take your key fob and press unlock. And now when you try to take it out, it comes out. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.